I've got something so cool to show you. Somebody asked me to get the number of months between a start and a finish, but there are different rows. And so we've got to find out when did the project start and when did it finish, and they're not on the same rows. So it's not so easy. And that's why this is so cool. This is so cool. I have got to stop here and go put my cool clothes on.
Don't rush, slow touch.
Now, isn't that better? We've got these projects, Coral Red down to Raspberry. Coral Red started the 10th of May, 2018 and ended the 19th of January, 2019. It had 4 steps. We go down to Neon Pink, 3 steps. It started the 1st of April, 2018 and it ended the 31st of January, 2019. We want to know how many months. Let's start here. Let's go to the projects. Equals unique. Double click. This is what we want as the unique array. Enter. There they are, all of the projects, and I am going to put this in a sort. Open parentheses. Go to the end. Close parentheses. Enter. Next, we're going to use date diff, and that does not show up as an option. Watch, equals date. See, that's not here. diff, open parentheses. It is a legitimate function. So we need our start date, but we're going to use a min ifs, open parentheses, minimum range, the start date, comma, the criteria. We want the criteria where it's matching the project. So that criteria range 1 right there, comma, what is the criteria? The projects. Highlight that. And notice the G3 hashtag. That tells that formula to look at that whole dynamic array range and not just the cell G3. All right. Close parentheses. Next, we want the max ifs, the maximum in the completed column by project, comma, max ifs, open parentheses, maximum range, the completed column, comma, criteria range, the project, comma, criteria, G3 pound sign, close parentheses, comma, we want months, double quote, M, double quote, close parentheses, enter. That's right. Coral Red took 8 months to complete from May 2018 to January 2019. Now, wasn't that so cool? Let's add some more data and then get out of here. Scroll down. Grab this new data. Scroll back up. Let's drag this. Scroll up a little further so we can see the glory. Put it in place. Boom. All sorted. The new data in order and those months automatically calculated. Apple Red took 11 months to complete. There you go. Date diff, dynamic arrays, unique, min ifs, max ifs. So damn cool.